Hello everyone. I hope your preparation for psychology entrance examinations are going well. And most importantly, you are enjoying time with psychology. I always believe that if you are passionate for psychology, nothing can stop you to achieve your goal. Today, I will not talk about traditional theory, but today's topic is also a kind of topic that you cannot ignore if you are doing preparation for MPhil clinical psychology or PsyD entrance examinations. You can find questions related to today's topic in MA Psychology and other competitive entrance examinations, but as I told you, it's more important for MPhil clinical psychology and PsyD entrance. When I say, what is most common addictive substance, what you will say? Alcohol? You are right. And in this video, we are going to discuss about a syndrome that might develop issues in children if mother drinks excessively while pregnancy. Yes, you are guessing right. The syndrome is fetal alcohol syndrome. You can find one question from this topic in entrance. So let's begin. If a mother drinks alcohol while pregnancy can cause to fetal alcohol syndrome in children, which is associated with many physical defects, nervous system related issues, social adjustment related issues, as well as behavioral problems. Physical defects like deformities of joints, limbs, and fingers. Children can develop vision and hearing related complications. A small head circumference and brain size is a common problem in fetal alcohol syndrome. According to one important study by Jones and Smith, child may develop abnormal behavior pattern such as irritability, short attention span, or they can elicit some of the repetitive body motion that are associated with autistic behavior. Alcohol consumption during pregnancy can affect adversely to the developing brain of the fetus. The brain weight of the affected fetus is generally lower, and a specific area in the brain such as cerebellum, which is responsible for coordination of muscles movement and balance, may be adversely affected. It can also affect hippocampus, which play an important role in learning and memory. Along with the cerebellum and hippocampus, FAS, that means fetal alcohol syndrome, also affect frontal lobe, the corpus callosum, and the basal ganglia. As I told you, alcohol consumption can develop various physical issues. So alcohol can damage the muscles of the fetus. Studies with monkeys have shown that alcohol can cause the umbilical cord to constrict. That means they reduce supply of oxygen to fetus. And according to the study, same effect has been found to occur in humans. There are many complications associated with fetal alcohol syndrome, like attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, in short we can say ADHD, aggression, child can develop antisocial personality, they can start consuming alcohol or drug in adult life, mental health related disorders such as depression, anxiety, or eating disorder. Chances of school dropout will be high. Inappropriate sexual behavior they can develop. So it could possible that they can develop all these complications in their adulthood. Fetal alcohol syndrome is a type of fetal alcohol spectrum disorder. In short, we can say FASD, fetal alcohol spectrum disorder. There are various types of FASD. Like first is fetal alcohol syndrome, in short we can say FAS, parietal fetal alcohol syndrome, alcohol related birth defects, alcohol related neurodevelopmental disorder, and neurobehavioral disorder associated with prenatal alcohol exposure. We will discuss about all types in a separate video. Now, if we talk about treatment, so there are no specific treatment for FAS, but there are treatment or medication for a specific symptom like benzodiazepines for anxiety, antidepressant for depression, or neuroleptics for anxiety and depression, we can say. Along with all these medication, therapy like speech language, occupational and physical therapy can help children with fetal alcohol syndrome. At the end, you may ask one important question to me. How much alcohol consumption is safe for mother and unborn child? And we can find answer of this question in a study conducted by Claren and Smith. There are one more study that is conducted by Barr and Martin. They found that even a relatively small intake of alcohol can endanger the embryo or fetus. According to the study, something that may not be dangerous to the mother, but it may harm to unborn child. So we can say a safe dosage for a mother may be a huge dose for an embryo or fetus. So one question I have selected to present here that I found in one MPhil clinical psychology entrance that will give you an idea and insight that what kind of questions you can find in examination, in entrance examinations. The question is, which of the brain organs are not associated with fetal alcohol syndrome? And your options are hippocampus, medulla, cerebellum, and basal ganglia. If you don't know the right answer, so pause the video now and replay the video and try to find answer. And if you was attentive, then you know I mentioned earlier that few brain organs are associated with FAS, but medulla was not in the list. So correct answer is medulla. I hope this video will be useful for you and also will develop curiosity to know more about FAS, right? If you have any doubt related to this topic, then let me know in comment box, or you can contact me through social media that are visible at your screen now. Take care. Bye.